everyone, assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my presentation. This is Khalid Ahmed. My registration number is 2020731092. In today's presentation I cover two topics. At first, 7 major ways to organize an informational report, and then basic difference between informational report and analytical report. Now I am going to describe my first presentation topic. What was the major way to organize an informational report? At first, we have to know what is informational report. Informational report are factual text which describe and classify the way things are. It has 7 major steps to organize an informational report. At first, decide the objective. Decide the objective means take some time to think about the purpose of the report. Need to describe, explain, recommend or pursue. Having a clear purpose from the outset ensure that you stay focused, which makes it easier engage your readers. And then understand your audience. Writing a formal annual report for a stakeholder is very different from financial review. Tailor your language, use of data, and supporting graphics to audience. It is also useful to consider the personal communication style of the reader, then report format and type. Before you start the check report format and type, you have to need to submit a written report or deliver presentation. Need a craft formal, informal, financial, annual, and technical fact finding or problem solving report. Then gather the fact and data. Including engaging fact and data will solidify your argument. Start with your collaborate project site and work out as need. Remember to cite source, such article, case studies and interview. Structure the report. A report typically has 4 elements: executive summary. A report will begin with the summary, which is written once the report is finished. As the first time the reader encounters, this is the most important section of document. They will likely use the summary to decide how much of the report they need to so make it count. Then readability. Readability means spend some time making the report accessible and enjoyable to read. If working in Word, the navigation pane and is great way to help the reader work through the document. Use formatting, visual and list is to break up long section of text. Edit. The first draft of the report is rarely perfect, so you will need to edit and revise the content. If possible, set the document aside for few days before reviewing or ask colleague to review. That's all for my first topic. Now I discuss about my second presentation topic, that is what is the basic difference between informational and analytical report. In informational report, that means one that contain details and information without analysis or recommendation. On the other hand, analytical report means that present, analyze, interrupt information and makes recommendation on complex critical problem. In informational report, the object of an informational report is to carry information from our of business. This type of report going to just show the fact about a subject. On the other hand, in an analytical report, the objective of analytical report is to solve problem. This type of report is going to include both negative and positive report. The reader of informational report, officer and stockholder. On the contrary, the readers of analytical report or user of analytical report are top level management. The length of informational report is relatively short. On the other hand, the length of analytical report has maximum length. Example of informational report is annual report, progress report, etc. On the other hand, example of analytical report are suggestion report, recommendation report, justification report, etc. That's all for my time being. Thanks everyone. Thanks our honorable teacher